What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be replacing one of the rad fans. As you know, a couple rides ago, right off the hop, kind of burnt one out there. My fans weren't coming on, so as soon as we unplugged this guy fired up no problem. So kind of looking at it or whatever, the motor kind of looks melted in the wiring. So thinking the cause the speaker wire. I kind of have it kind of looped around in there. I'm gonna see if I could do something else, but kind of goes around. I'm thinking it got wedged in between the fans. So as soon as the fans kind of went to start up, kind of seized it up. So been in contact with Taryn Wilson from Monsters of the North, owns Saskatchewan, and he got us one cent in a day, which is dope. That's his info there. So replace it with that bad boy, and yeah, see if that works. As you guys know, or have probably already seen, the wrap on the HighLifter turned out insane. Super happy with it. So yeah, let's get started. Kind of melted right there. That one's normal, so you can see it's pretty stiff. It should be like this. But, yeah. So yeah, as soon as I unplug this guy, as soon as we unplug this one, plug this one in, this one fired up like right off the hop. So no way. This would be a fun one to find. Alright. That's that one. Now where? Oh. Where'd that nut go? Okay. Start it up. So now we just want to wait till it kind of warms up a little bit and then the fans come on. Okay to go. Back in business, boys. Woo! That's stuck in there fine. I like it. Okay, to the next time. Peace.